Hi, I'm Craig from CW Film Productions and I'm a wedding filmmaker. I enrolled in the complete wedding film business course because I've seen the success which both Adam and Howard Wing have, and I wanted to know, how do they achieve it, how do they maintain it, and what do I need to do to be able to break into this industry. I think starting a new course can be daunting, and I know I personally felt that myself. Enrolling on this course has provided me with a safety net that I can fall back on. With the insight, the knowledge which Adam and Howard provide, it's really built my confidence and it's helped me lay the strong foundations for a positive future where now I feel I can kick on and compete against other people in this wedding industry. Not only that, but Adam has given the insight into how to film, produce, edit high quality movies. It's just been unbelievable. Howard Wing has helped me brand, build my business, expand it, improve my social network, really putting myself in those situations to achieve success in the future. It ticked all the boxes I was looking for a course. The amount of support that both Adam and Howard provide to myself and everyone else in the group is just unbelievable. I feel like I've gained two close friends because of it. We have a weekly Zoom meeting where we come together, which is led by Adam and Howard. We share success stories from other people in the group, what has worked, what hasn't worked. They provide us aims, goals we have to hit for the week. To have two people just constantly pushing you to better and improve yourself has been amazing. Was it worth the money? This one's a no-brainer. It's a simple yes. From what I've learned from the course, I've been able to apply into my filmmaking and my business. That's meant I've received bookings, which has then meant the course has paid for itself. It's a win-win situation. You need to invest in this course. It will help you lay the foundations for a successful future.